A must in your morning routine, and as a quick and refreshing pick-me-up any time of day, our Matcha Hydration Balancing Toner uses a unique blend of all natural ingredients to restore, refresh, and rejuvenate your skin. Our hand-selected blend of natural ingredients give this light mist a lovely yet subtle rosy aroma that won't overpower. Perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. We don't use alcohol, harsh chemicals, or anything synthetic, and all our ingredients are responsibly sourced for pure and natural beauty. Our Ingredients Aloe Vera, a rockstar natural moisturizer that hydrates without being oily. Heals skin and packs impressive anti-inflammatory properties to revitalize the delicate skin of your face and neck. It's also known to fight bacteria and is rich in vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene for anti-aging benefits. Calendula Flower calms and eases skin irritations with healing antiseptic and antimicrobial characteristics, as well as improving blood flow and reducing the appearance of wrinkles, spots, and scars for smooth, youthful skin. Rose, a great natural cleanser and toner that reduces redness and puffiness, and rids clogged pores of oil and dirt. Balances pH levels to prepare your skin for perfect hydration, and works to naturally fight skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Witch Hazel, one of the best remedies for acne and inflammation, this natural astringent visibly tightens skin and reduces redness and discoloration while gently nourishing skin by removing excess oil and impurities. Matcha Green Tea, our favorite ingredient. Matcha Tea is a powerhouse antioxidant that reduces oiliness, repairs skin, and fights free radicals to give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. Willow Bark, a natural exfoliant that controls oil production and helps clear pores and remove dead skin cells for a radiant, clear complexion. Made in USA in a FDA-registered facility, best use after 6 months after opening. Refresh and hydrate. Our all-natural facial mist hydrates, fights blemishes, and eases redness and irritation. Calm and soothe. A unique blend of aloe, rose water, calendula flower, and matcha green tea gently rejuvenates your skin. Balance and tone. Willow bark and witch hazel balance your skin's pH level and give your skin a beautiful, lit from within glow. Mist and set, perfect for setting making, a quick pick-me-up, and invigorating skin at the start or end of the day. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.